on the side of the grass. There is some water in the grass, but the bird cannot drink it. The water is at the bottom of the grass. The bird has a short beak. It is very tired and very hot. It cannot drink the water. Where is the bird now? It is beside some stone. It is picking up one of the stones. There is stone in the bird's feet. What is it doing? It is carrying one of the stones. It is tucking the stone to the grass. The bird is sitting on the side of the grass. The stone is in the bottom of the grass. The bird cannot drink the water. What is it doing? The bird is beside some stone. It is picking up another stone. The stone is in the bird's beak. The bird is sitting on the side of the grass. Another stone in the grass. There are two stones in the water. The water is going up. The bird is working hard. It is picking up another stone. It is carrying into the grass. How many stones are there in the grass now? What is water doing? The bird is working hard. It is hot and tired. It is picking up another stone. It cannot eat. It is carrying into the grass. How many stones are there in the grass now? Look at the water. It is going up the grass. How many stones are there in the grass now? What is water doing? How many stones are there in the grass now? There are 6 stones in the grass. Look at the water. It is at the top of the grass. Now the bird can drink the water. The bird is not hot now. The bird is not tired. Bye bye. Thank you.